Today I'll be showing you guys how to edit on CapCut like a pro. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Loveline, and today I got a special video for you guys. As you can already tell by the title, today I'll be showing you guys how to edit on CapCut like a pro. If you want your videos to look nice, have clear background, look aesthetically pleasing, and you can hear your voice clearly, how to do the animation and everything like that, I got you in this video. First, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun contents like this. Let's begin. So first, what is CapCut? By now, I'm pretty sure everybody knows what CapCut is. Everybody's literally using CapCut. Like on TikTok every day, people be using like those templates. As you can already tell by now, I can show you an example on the screen. How people are using CapCut on TikTok now. Like
Joker once said,
"If people treat you like an option, leave them like a choice."
the templates that be going viral, everybody's using CapCut. But me personally, I use CapCut to edit my videos, and I'll be showing you guys how I do it, so you can also learn how to edit your videos and get lots of views on your channel with nice, easy, and simple steps and animations that you can add on your videos and make it look nice and neat. Let's get into the video. To upload a video, first you will go on CapCut on your phone if you have it downloaded, and then you will press where it says new project, and then you will press on that, and now it will bring you to your video section, and you will scroll and find your video of your preference, whichever one you want to add into CapCut that you're ready to edit. In that case, this is mine, and I add it here. And before you start editing your video, always make sure to scroll all the way to the end of the video so that you can remove the CapCut outro. Make sure you always do that first so you don't forget. Also, when starting your video, always make sure to check that the aspect ratio is on 69 for YouTube, and we also have TikTok, which is 916, which you can pick whichever one you're doing for the video that you chose. In order to add videos, you're going to press that plus button in the corner right here, and then for me, I will be adding my YouTube intro. You can see that I'm adding it. So that's how you would add a video after you've already uploaded a video on CapCut. So for the jump cuts, I'm going to show you how you can do that for your videos. The jump cuts is just like when you keep splitting the video in between so that you can do that little jump thing, which I'll be showing you guys. So that's how you split it. You just press it in the middle. I'm going to show you what I press so you can cut the video in between. So when you press on the video, it will bring you to the little split section at the bottom, which is right here. You will press that and you'll press split, and then you put it in whichever position you feel more comfortable where you like the jump cut. And now that's what it sounds like with the jump cut. You know, it's your girl Loveline, and today So now for the animation, you will go back to the video and you would choose which section that you want to add the animation, and in that case for me, I want to add it here. So you would press at the bottom where it says animation after you click on the video, and there's so many options that you can pick from for that transition, and you pick whichever one that you most feel comfortable with, And in that case, for me, I'll choose whichever one I like for my video. And right here, I would pick this option, which I really like. So yeah, I just showed you how to add animation on the video. Now I'm going to show you how to add animation between the jump cuts, which is the transition to the next video. So you will press this little bar in between where you added the cut in the beginning. And then for this one, it's the same as well. There's so many transition. You can explore whichever one you like. And I really recommend the Pro because it has way more nice ones, better transitions. So yeah, as for me, I'm picking the alphabet transition, which I'll be showing you guys right here. And this is how it looks. We have overlay. So for the overlay, you can use that same way that I'll be showing you to add any videos. In that case, I'll be showing you how to add an overlay for the subscribe button with the sound so that you can do it as well for your video. So first, we will press the overlay button, which will be right here at the bottom, and you press add overlay, and then you switch to your library. And from your library, if you don't like the green screen that they're showing you, you can search the subscribe button and it will give you a subscribe button of your choice. You can choose whichever one that you like. And in that case, for me, I will be choosing this subscribe button with the like, subscribe, and notification bell. To remove the green screen, you go at the bottom where it says remove background, and then you press that, and we'll press chroma key, and you'll move it around a little bit, and then you'll go to shadow. Well, you don't really have to put this one on 100, but you can. And for the density, you also put that on 100, and you automatically remove the green screen background, and you can position it whichever place you like, as I'm showing you here. And you can also put an animation like I showed you before on how you would like it to enter or out, in or out, or you can do a combo. But this is how you would add an overlay green screen. So now we have keyframe zoom ins and outs. So for the zoom in and out, it's just to keep the audience focused. So in order to add the zoom in and out, you go where you want to have it added in your video. For this matter, I'll be going in this section on where I want to add it. So first you press this little key at the top corner, which I'll be zooming in to show you. And now you go to your cutout and add the keyframe. So once you add the keyframe, you will zoom in, and then in that same cutout, you can add another keyframe so that the zoom out can be slow, which I'll be showing you right here, very slowly. And then on your next cutout, you add a keyframe, and then before you add the keyframe, you split it, of course, and then you add the keyframe right here, and then you zoom in a little bit, and then you will play it, and I'll show you right here how it's zooming out slowly. And once you add the other keyframe, stay steady, and then it just zoom out by itself. And that's how you would do add the keyframe. To add text, you will go where it says add text at the bottom. You press the text, and then you go to add text. And then for me, I'll be typing my name for my YouTube channel. And then once you're done typing what you want to type, you go to fonts. And as for the fonts, there's so many different options for fonts you can pick from, but they give more better option when you have Pro with CapCut. For me, I'll be choosing this font right here. And you can play around with it, so you can choose whichever one best suits your needs. As for me, I'll be picking this font right here. And you can go to style, choose whichever styles you like best for your text. For me, I'll be choosing this style. I'll be showing you how you can try many different ones. So right here, I'm going to choose like the nice pink one, and then next, and then you can go to animation. They have bubbles. If you want to add your text in bubbles, you can do that as well. There's so many different styles, animations you can add for your text and make it fun. For me, I'll be choosing this one with the writing retro typer type for my name right here. Next, I am going to effects, so I'm choosing whichever effect that I like best with my name. And for this right here, I am choosing this effect because it's cute, nice, so I'll be choosing this one. So you can play around and choose whichever one that you like for your text. So now to add auto caption, we will go to add text. So we'll scroll over to the text option, which I showed you on the previous slide where we were adding text. You will press text, and once you get to that option, you will press auto caption. Again, there's so many different options to choose from on the auto caption. It depends on what type of video you're putting out there. As for me, I'll be picking this caption because it suits me best. And if the caption is overriding over or on a text that you already had, you can remove it on your video and fit it to your needs. And also, if you go back to auto captions, they have different options. They even have languages on there that you can pick from for like bilingual captions. But for this one, you need to have full CapCut. So that's another option that they have there, which is very cool. To add sound effect on your video, first you go to where you like the sound effect, and then from there you would go where it says audio at the bottom, and you press audio and press sound effect, and from there you can pick which one you want. They have multiple options. As for me, I'm looking for a typing sound, so I'll be picking this sound to add under my text as a sound effect for my name right here, which I'll be showing you once I've added it. It's your girl Lovely. For music, first you will go to audio on your video, and then you press sound, and from there you can either extract audio from any videos on your gallery, or you can go and upload any music that you may have from your device. And I'll be showing you how to upload copyrighted free music. First, you go on Google and you'll type free copyright music. Well, it will show. Okay, so first I have Epidemic Sound that you can use. Right here, it has a lot of free music. You can sign up, or you can go and use Pixabay, royalty-free music. I really like this one because you don't have to create any account. So you just go there and you pick whichever one that you like. In that case, I'll be picking this one, which is Tibari Tokyo, to add on my video. And I'll be showing you how I'm doing it right now. So I download it, save it to my folder, and I go back into CapCut, and I press from device option, and then I add it, and then you will press it open and add it onto your video. And in order to add it on your video so it's not loud, you go to volume and lower it so it doesn't take over, like, so it's not louder than your video, so people can hear you speaking. For me, if you want your video, if you're recording your video and the volume was low, what you can do is press on your video and make sure to increase the volume to 100, and also make sure to lower your music or increase your music a bit more to match your voice. And that's what I'll be showing you here right now. And this is how it sounds with the final music and audio. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lovely B. For the first effects, we will do audio effects. If you want to add change your voice and you want to do some cute effects on your video when you're uploading on YouTube, first you will scroll all the way to the corner where it says audio effects, which I'll be zooming in so you can see it, and you will press that. Again, there's so many different options and I'll be showing you examples.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back to my YouTube.
So yeah, so this is how you would add audio effects on your video. They have so many different ones that you can pick from. You just go there and explore it and you can pick whichever one you like with your video. To add filter, now you will go on your video, you press where you want to add the filter, or if you want to add it all over, you scroll where it says filter, and then like I said, they have multiple options. You can pick whichever one you like best with your video, but as for me, I like to keep mine natural. So if you want to add filter on your video, that's where you would go to add filters on your video. If you want to enhance the voice on your video, for this one you also have to have Pro, but if you want to have Pro, you can pay for it and you can enhance the voice on your video. You press this button right here and it would automatically enhance your voice and make it sound really clear and make your video sounds really nice. So yeah, in order to add effects on your video, such as body effects, they also have photo effects and video effects. For here, I'll be showing you how to add video effect, well, body effects, not video effects. So it will be showing you how you can make your video much cooler if you want your video to pop out more. And they also have face effects, but right here you'll go to effects and you can pick whichever one you would like to add on your video and make it really cool and nice for your video. And right here they also have face effects. Those are the face effects which you can make funny faces on your videos to make it more appealing when you make your videos and make it more fun for the audience. Last but not least, in order to go back, you press that back button in the corner to add stickers. I'm going to show you how to add stickers on your video. You go to the option where it says stickers, and then there's so many cute stickers that you can add on your video, make it look so nice and cute. And this is the flash, like where you can find the flash to point at things if you want that. And they also have subscribe button if you want to add that. They have emojis. They have so many different ones, and for me, I'll be adding this one in my video to have the finished product. And so yeah, I'll be showing you guys the final video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more YouTube tips like this. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lovely B, and today I have another exciting video for you guys. As you can